Madam Chair,
Supervisor Miller.
I object to this. My district deserves their fair share. There's $5 million and we ended up getting actually less after we modified our projects. There's $5 million to split equally between the 5 districts, and if you do this, I just cannot believe the actions of this board today. This is outrageous that you would pull this. There are children in District 1 that are in just as much need, and there are just as many schools in District 1. As a matter of fact, the roads in District 1, 72% of the roads in District 1 are in failed to poor condition, only 62% in the rest of Pima County. And taking this money out of my district out of spite because we met and cooperatively worked. My staff member back there, Joseph Kafari, met and cooperatively worked with the Department of Transportation staff who had no problem with this issue until you brought it up as an issue. And I think it's outrageous that you would demand to take money out of my district road repair money to use in your district, Mr. Carroll. Okay, Richard. You made
Okay.
a motion. I think this is outrageous and unbelievable precedent to set. And I demand that we get the road money for District 1 that we were originally allocated, and we'll work with the Department of Transportation to allocate it however they see fit. But they work cooperatively with my staff. When we went to them, there was no indication that the road money was going to be taken away, that this was a political issue in any way, shape, or form. We went to them and asked them if they would be willing to work on some of these neighborhoods where elderly people are falling down as they go out to walk in their walkers. Excuse me, I'm not finished yet. And now you want to take this money and move it to another district? Because what? You want to get even with me because I said we've mismanaged the road money? It's clear. These potholes are out there for all the world to see. You drive down the roads every day. Everyone knows it. Road money has been swept all over the state, and the rest of the state doesn't look like Pima County. And now we're going to be penalized because we criticize the mismanagement of the road money, and this is the kind of treatment, this is how you're going to deal with this. Really? I can't believe the actions of this board today. Go ahead and vote on it. My district will be hearing about this, and Mr. Carroll, for you, Mr. Elias, to make this motion to take the money out of my district is just outrageous. Your roads are funded through the city.
I want to remind the board we need to be respectful of one another. I will not.
Yeah, we should be respectful of one another in every meeting, not just this meeting. And the one thing I will say is that your motion is so outrageous and out of order that you go ahead and do it. And my constituents will be just outraged that this money is being moved. We had $1 million per district, and it's being moved into District 4 out of spite.